Did you know DJI just secretly filed specs for a camera that could kill GoPro overnight? The OSMO Action 6 isn't just another upgrade, it's packing professional-grade features at half the price of cinema cameras. When you see what this 1-inch sensor can actually do, you'll understand why every content creator is freaking out right now. DJI seems to be sticking with what works while making smart improvements. The leaked Action 6 looks familiar, but comes with a slightly bigger body to fit all the new tech inside. FCC documents show the same rugged build we love, but there's something weird, a mysterious pill-shaped thing under the front screen that nobody can figure out yet. Could it be a new sensor, button, or some kind of indicator light? Waterproofing stays impressive at 18 to 20 meters without any additional casing. The dual OLED screens return with supposedly faster response times, and the overall build quality maintains that tank-like durability DJI is known for. Here's where things get exciting. Rumors indicate that DJI is jumping from the Action 5 Pro's decent sensor to a massive 1-inch sensor. That's huge for an action camera. We're talking about going from 12.8 stops of dynamic range to over 13.5 stops, which means way better footage in dark conditions. Think about it. You're getting cinema-quality low-light performance in something that fits in your pocket and survives getting thrown off cliffs. The color reproduction should be dramatically better too, with richer tones and more accurate skin tones that won't need heavy color correction in post. This isn't just a spec bump, it's potentially the biggest jump forward in action camera imaging since these things were invented. The video specs sound almost too good to be true. Leaked documents suggest 8K recording at 30 frames per second, which is insane for something this small. Then there's 5.3K at 60 frames per second for that smooth action footage. Slow motion gets crazy with 4K at 120 frames per second and 1080p hitting 240 frames per second. The rumored 10-bit color support would give video editors the flexibility they've been begging for in action cameras. Imagine shooting morning surf sessions in 8K, then switching to 240 frames per second slow motion to capture every water droplet in perfect detail. The processing power needed for this performance suggests DJI has seriously upgraded the internal chipset. RockSteady 4.0 apparently brings AI into the stabilization game, promising even smoother footage than before. The connectivity gets a major boost with Bluetooth 5.1 and Wi-Fi 6. USB-C video output with potential DisplayPort support could eliminate the need for capture cards when connecting to monitors or computers. The AI-enhanced horizon leveling sounds particularly impressive, automatically keeping your footage level even during the most chaotic action sequences. Battery management gets smarter too, with improved thermal regulation that should prevent the camera from shutting down during long recording sessions in hot climates. DJI loves its fall announcements, and 2025 looks no different. Based on their pattern of September releases for the last few action cameras, expect news between September and November. Pricing rumors put the base model around $329, climbing to $579 for the loaded adventure kit. This camera could seriously mess up GoPro's plans. While everyone expects the Hero 14 to bring improvements, a 1-inch sensor in an action camera at this price point would be unbeatable. GoPro has dominated for years, but DJI stabilization tech combined with this rumored sensor upgrade creates a compelling alternative. However, there's a potential roadblock brewing in the US market, where new DJI products might face automatic restrictions unless they get government approval before 2026. Nevertheless, the leaked specs suggest DJI is positioning this as the camera that finally bridges the gap between action cameras and professional equipment. That wraps up everything we know about the Action 6 leaks. Which feature excites you most? Drop your thoughts below and subscribe for further updates.